ACO's HexDrain Brickslot is perfect for domestic projects where discrete channel drainage is required. Manufactured from recycled plastic, it is suitable for pedestrian traffic up to low-class A15. These high-quality drainage channels simply clip together, allowing for quick and easy installation. Each channel comes complete with an offset slotted grating, ideal for block paving. Now let's learn a little more from Katie in the ACO Academy.
The features and benefits of HexDrain Brickslot include
System CE marked and fully certified to load class A15. Offset slot grating is ideal for use with block paving up to 60 mm. Offset slot grating enables drainage location adjacent to walls and door thresholds. Discrete 10 mm inlet slot, tapered to prevent blockage. Channels clip together for quick and easy installation. Installation guide clearly marked on the Brickslot grating. Cutting guide to create half-metre channels. Compliant with Part M of the Building Regulations for England and Wales and Section 4 of the Scottish Building Standards. Applications include garage thresholds, patios and paths, pedestrian precincts.
ACO have a full range of accessories designed to aid simple and fast installation no matter what the build.
Find out more at aco.co.uk.